Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unsubscribe from uncommercial mails in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you don't know how to log in, we've created a video regarding how to log in as well. Now let's simply go to settings. On the navbar next to the bell icon, there's something like a profile-like icon. Simply click on it and let's scroll right to settings. Once you're in the settings page, initially you'll be in the account settings. Just below it is communications. Simply click on it and right here is the communication settings. Simply scroll down till you see something like email and chat. Let's simply click on email. Once you're in this page, simply scroll down till you find something like unsubscribe from all commercial emails. Simply click on this button right here. And then there you go. That's how you unsubscribe from commercial mails in Indeed. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.